Hacker7 here. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you could easily see all the videos you watched on TikTok in the past 7 days. Now, this is a new feature which TikTok implemented, and I'll basically guide you through the steps of how you would be able to see all the videos you've watched in the past 7 days. So once you're on your profile, so let me go to my profile. What you'd need to do next is to click on the three lines or the hamburger menu in the top right. Now click on settings and privacy, and you need to scroll down until you see this option. It is called watch history. Now this is currently not available for everyone. It was released about 2 weeks ago. So with this option enabled, you'd be able to see all the videos you've watched in the past 7 days. So if I should click on the settings toggle in the top right, I would be able to turn off watch history. So if I should turn it off, any other videos which I watch won't be stored here. So let me turn that on. And you could also clear all your watch history. You could simply click this clear button, and there will be a confirmation message which will ask you if you are sure if you would want to clear all the message or all the videos you've watched in the past 7 days. So seeing that this is a new feature, I believe TikTok will slowly roll out this for every account, and they will also implement further duration. So you could possibly store watch history for the past day, or you could store it for a month. However, this is just for 7 days, and this is where you would see all the videos you've watched on your home screen. I'm not sure how they would calculate the viewer percentage. Maybe they'd say that if you watch 10 seconds from a video, it would count. However, that is basically how you'd go about seeing it. Clicking on the settings menu, settings and privacy, and you'd see watch history right here. So I hope this video was helpful in getting you to see your watch history on TikTok. Thank you guys for watching. There are also other alternatives where you could see all the videos which you've watched since you've been using TikTok. Now that is a bit more technical, and that is not the purpose of this video. So thank you guys for watching. Hope this was helpful. Hacker7 out.